Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup blog. All right, so the first thing I have here, and my reading glasses on, fantastic. First thing I have here is from a collaboration that Pure Cosmetics did with Barbie. What's it called? CEO. The packaging is gorgeous. Oh, and that's the lettering for Barbie right down there. I'm probably gonna wear it just because it's Barbie, and it's most likely the color red or pink. Oh, but the packaging is gorgeous. Where was I during this whole collaboration? And look at the lettering there. Oh, you see that? That is gorgeous. Oh, and it does you pop it, you press that, and it pops out here. And there's that is a gorgeous red. And it looks like a matte red. It looks very like a powder kiss red, similar to like the MAC lipsticks. It has that kind of presentation. It looks like a powder. Oh, that's so pretty. I wonder. Yeah. It kind of reminds me of that powder finish that I've seen in the MAC lipsticks, and some of the brands have followed suit, having that powder finish. Oh, that is gorgeous. I don't want to put too much on, so I want to keep going with everything that's in there. This is beautiful. Beautiful. All right, the next thing I have here is from Trestique, and this is their Summer Glow and Go. 4 sticks. So I'm assuming that is a concealer, maybe a foundation, blush, bronzer, contour. Pretty. And it comes in a set of 4. Maldives Luminescent. No, the light one here is a highlighter. The next one is Moroccan Rose, so I'm assuming that's the blush. The next is Tahitian Summer. That may be a bronzer. And finally, Americano, which kind of comes off like a deep coffee. Oh, that's beautiful, that color. That may be for contouring. 4 easy, throw it in your bag, keep it moving. What I love is the design of them. They all make them look like jumbo pencils, and then you have to take out the point, but see? That's not the actual point, that's the cap. So again, you can see the colors, and they match the box. I'm gonna just take one out so you can see. Oh, they're tiny too, so it's a nice little, cute little set. This is the blush. See, and the cap comes off like this, and there's the color. Amazing. Ooh, that's a pretty light pink. So, it already has like a ball or dome-like thing to it. I don't smell anything, so for those who are sensitive to any fragrances or scents, then maybe this might be for you. Again, Trestique. It's a cute little package, and I'll put the price here of what I paid for it because of this sale that BoxyCharm has every so often. You can sometimes get things for as low as $5. It's amazing. Like this lipstick, $5. And that packaging alone tells you that this lipstick was not going to be priced at $5. Continuing. Okay, the next thing I have here is Touch and Soul, and this is their Icy Sherbet Primer. Gorgeous, right? And I also received, which is my favorite. I already went through a bottle of this, and I was so happy to get a second one. This is the Touch and Soul No Pore Blum Primer. This is incredible, and was considered a dupe for the Smashbox primer, the clear one, the original. I would say it very much is. And I think at the time when I got it, it was between $16 and $18. And how much did I pay for it for the sale? $6. $6. A bargain. So I will show you that. So I got quite a few things from the Touch and Soul. So this is the amazing. I will pump a little there, and you'll see that it's pretty liquidy. And I will apply that here. just for good measure. It doesn't have an overpowering scent, and when it goes on, it feels almost like it has a slip, like it's silicone-y. And I'm just going to apply it on one side of my face because I have the other primer from Touch in Sol that I would like to experience and try. So I'm going to have this on one side of my face just to see. This is how it looks on the inside. Is that gorgeous, or is that gorgeous? Is this zooming in? But yeah, that's how it looks. It's almost like an invisible gel. It's almost like a jelly. See that? So unusual. It's almost like petroleum jelly. And it has a very strong fragrance. I like it. It doesn't bother me. But for those who are sensitive to any kind of scents or fragrances, this may not be for you. Oh, but I love the way it smells. There's a little snap here. So let me show you how it looks like. Is that amazing or what? I am already loving it. It's all shimmer. I just want to go like this and just put it. Oh my gosh, look at that glow up there. I don't even feel like putting on any like real further makeup on today. But this actually gives me life. And this is called the Multitasker. It's a 4-in-1 makeup brush. You know me and makeup tools. Besides skincare and hair care and makeup tools. Gotta have them. So this has a shape, and very interesting shape, and it has dual end, which is nice. Clearly it has a brush on one side. I'm not sure if that's a sponge or a stiffer brush, but we shall find out. It says it's vegan, latex free, and cruelty free. I'm only seeing 2. This is definitely a sponge tip. It kind of reminds me of the good old crayons we went to back in the day, or the pencil eraser. Remember those? Yeah. And then this side is definitely an angled brush that I could use to contour, probably as well as add blush, but it turns. Look at, and it has an angled thin brush where I could use for liner, you know? Nice. Okay, this is calling to me for traveling or just for ease. Oh, this other side as well. And there's that. Oh my, a medium shadow brush, I guess that might be. Oh yeah. And it feels smooth, soft, but has a bit of firmness to it. I think I'm in love. When products are clever like this, that they can offer more than 1 or 2 options, these are the ones that you know you're going to keep going back to over and over and over again. This saves the place of apparently 4 different makeup tools because they're all wrapped up in here. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Bravo. This is brilliant. And again, the brand is Alley. Okay. Almost forgot, I got not 1 but 2 palettes, and the first palette I have here is from Ace Beauté, and this is their Falling For You palette. Is that gorgeous? I'm so pleased to see this brand because their eyeshadow palettes, amazing. Great color payoff, so I'm gonna show you how. Oh, this is gorgeous. I want you to see this because this is absolutely stunning. So you see all those beautiful purples. I can't wait to dive in here. I gotta make a look with this. And here's this lovely shimmer of green. That's unusual. You don't usually see green as a shimmer. Those purples. Oh, amazing, amazing. And I will be dedicating a video to this, absolutely, because I'm already seeing some looks that I just can't wait to try. Again, I'll put up the prices for these. It was just amazing. Last but not least is this lovely one, and this is from Ciate London, and this is the editor palette. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. Okay. I told myself to refrain from buying eyeshadow palettes, and I'm finding that I'm ignoring myself, so there you go. Interesting presentation. It's sort of like a baby pink with some blue there with the design. There's the back side. Okay. Like Christmas, how does it look? Oh, this is so pretty. I don't know why, but I immediately thought of the Koki Cosmetics artist palettes. What do you think? I see it over there. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Do you take advantage of the sales that happen throughout the month for BoxyCharm? Again, let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup unboxing, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.